Hi, this is Adam from ProCAD. So I just want to show off the Vault Web Viewer or the Vault Thin Client, which comes free with Vault Professional. So what I have here is I've just opened up Google Chrome. You can do this with any web browser, and you can navigate then to server name / Autodesk TC. So you just put your server name in here, or if your server is an IP address, you can use the IP address instead. And then if you hit return, it'll bring you to this landing page. So I'm just going to log in here. This is the login page, and this is what I'm greeted with. So first off here I have Project Explorer. It's very similar to what you would expect. You can view the files in list format or in a tile format here like this. If I work my way into a bunch of files, I can open a file here. I will see all previous revisions of that file here, and I can download it here directly with download file, or I can just download a DWF in the just by selecting download visualization. Just to show off some of the settings, now I'm logged in as administrator, so this wouldn't necessarily be available to all users. You can make it so that only released items are visible. You can make it so that you only see latest versions. You can make it so that only released files are available. You can restrict the download of visualization attachments. So if you want to send this client viewer to a customer, you could have it restricted so that they can only download the DWF files and not download the actual AutoCAD files themselves.